Hi viewers, welcome to your channel for Nexus Technology Services, and today I'm here with you guys to tell you something about Vigenère Cipher. Yes, we are going to learn something about Vigenère Cipher, that how we can encrypt our message through this cipher technology or term, and how can we can decrypt a message through this same cipher. Vigenère Cipher has been actually developed by using 26 alphabetical orders in both rows and columns. So this is rows and this is columns, and they have been placed in such a way that they make a sense only once we have got few things with it to make our encrypt or decrypt our password. So the requirement of the Vigenère software are, first of all, we need to have a key cipher word, and then we should have another thing with it, which can be either our plain text or our encrypted message that we want to decrypt or encrypt. So let's start with the first option, where we have got option of plain text with the cipher keyword. So what we have got as a plain text is that we want to send a message to somebody, or somebody wants to send a message to someone, and they have already pre-decided as a password or a key for this message that they're going to send. In this case, the key I'm taking as an example is mentioned as fix it, and the person who's sending the message wants to send a message called as come home to me. Now, to do that, we need to know what we can do to encrypt this message. So let's do this process first. For this one, what we need to do is, first of all, we will have to put our key word above the plain text. Let's see, in this case, like I have put the keyword above here. So this is fix it is put once. But now, because our password or plain text is, or our plain text is longer than that one, so we have to put the same key pass twice again, or second time. Is still not able to finish, and we have got two more alphabets still left out. So we will put the key again, which is like this. It's Fi. Now what we have to do is we have to do some mapping for this one to get the encrypted message designed for this plain text that we have got. And what we need to do in this case is we will have to go to the F alphabet of the cipher keyword by using or looking at the rows or at the column side. So in this case, the column is here. It's got F over here. So I can mark this with the red icon so that you can keep it as an understanding. And then we have to look for the plain text alphabet, which is C in this case. And then we go to the rows and see whether we can find C over here, which is over here. And then we mark it with the red mark. And now what we're trying to do is we are trying to intersect C and F together to see what alphabet comes up with this one. In this case, we get an alphabet called H. So this is our common alphabet for this one, and I hope this will give us as a first encrypted alphabet for this plain text. We move on to the next one also for this example purposes, and the text is, or the alphabet is one. So let's no, not one, sorry, it's a I. So we got I over here, and then we got I here, or you can say I is over here. Then when we look for the I here, and then we go and look for the O in the row side, which is over here. So we look for the O, and then we try to intersect them also now and see how it goes. And then we land to W, and then it should be our encrypted alphabet for this one. So see, this is how the encrypted alphabet is coming up. We go for the third one now. We will do it like that one. So X, we look for the X on the top. X in this case is over here. So we make it red, and then we have got M at the bottom. So we're going to look for M over here, which is this one. So let's intersect F and M, and it will land somewhere over here, which is J. So we can see it should be J over here also. That's good. Now we go for the I again, which is I is over here also. And then the other one is E. The alphabet is E, which is over here. So we mark that one also. And then we try to match it up with the intersection point, which comes up as M. So I hope the answer should be M, and it should be M. And then we go for the next one, which is T, and then T is on the top, which is over here. We got that right. Got done. And then we go to H. H is over here in the row side. We mark it as H over here. And we do the same process of intersecting it towards D. And we see that we reach a point where it's called A. Just to confirm once again, it's reaching to the correct one. Yes, it's reached to A. We mark it over there, and it is the A. So we will continue this process like this for the next of the keywords and the alphabets, and then we will should be able to make a new encrypted message for this one. So this is one way of encrypting the message when we have got a plain text and a cipher keyword. Now we'll go to the another option where we have got an encrypted message and with the cipher keyword which has been given before to get a plain text. So the message has reached to a person now, and it's an encrypted message, and he wants to read out what has been sent to him. In this case, we are using a different example, but the process is similar, or the understanding is similar. So let's, before starting this one, in this case, let's make all the things back to the normal so that we can have our phenomena understood properly. I'll just take a few seconds for that one, and then we'll continue. Okay, so now in this case, what we need to do is we have got the cipher keyword as M. So what we have to do is we have to go back to the column options where M is, which is this one in this case. So we click on M over here, and then we look for the encrypted message alphabet, which is S. Now we look for S in this case in the same column where we can find it, and this is over here, which is this one. And then in this case, now we go into the reverse direction and we look for the corresponding row alphabet in this case, which is going to be G in this case. So that when we put that one over here, and it should be G, and that is G. So we go for this next one again. Now it's I in the keyword, which is on the top again. I is the keyword over here, and then there is encrypted message alphabet W. We look for W in the same row, same column, sorry, and we'll find it over here, which is over here. We look for the corresponding row alphabet in this one, which is going to be O in this case, and we end up putting O over here. The next one is X again, and the X, we go to the X, which is this one, and its corresponding, and its message alphabet is L. We look for L in the same column, which is going to be this one, which is here. As usual, we mark it, and then we're going to run a reverse cycle, which in this case will make us land on O again. So the answer is O. And I will use the last one, which is I. I in this case is available again on the top. We looked it over here, and we're looking for L now at this time. L is available here. We select L and we go back to the reverse direction. We look for the row alphabet, which is going to be D in this case. We'll gonna put D over here. Now the last one is it. Mixit has got T now. I'm just gonna do that one for you for the reference purpose. So T is there, and we look for T on the column side. T is here. We can find it easily, and then we are looking for the alphabet E in the same line, same column, where we can find E. Here we go. We found the E. Reverse it back to the row side, and you should be able to find an alphabet over there, which is L. So it should be L here also. And we can use it for the next three also, and it's going to be making some number like this. So the answer is good luck. So the message that was encrypted one, which was SWLLEGKH, has actually the plain text message or the information as good luck. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video from with me, and do share, like, and thumbs up to my channel as well as to my videos, and I hope to look forward to you in the future videos also. Till then, signing off from Nexus Technology Services. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.